Lockout Tagout circuit breaker lockout is best used on standard height and tie bar toggles typically found on 120 and 240 volt breakers. Best used as part of a comprehensive OSHA-compliant lockout tagout safety program. Innovative patented grip-tight design effectively locks out circuit breakers with a simple thumb turn and then close clamping handle for a tight grip on the toggle. Durable construction with powder-coated steel and reinforced polymer for operation in harsh environments. 5-1/8 in 13 cm long circuit breaker lockout with 1-3/16 in 3 cm height and 2-3/4 in 7 cm depth. Includes one lockout tagout circuit breaker lockout. Accepts all master lock and American lock safety padlock shackles and lockout hasps, padlocks and hasps sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. Lockout met expectations and passed inspection.